Before cloud storage and USB drives ruled our digital world, the humble floppy disk revolutionized how we carried data. These magnetic squares, originally 8 inches wide in 1971, stored a mere 80 kilobytes, barely enough for a single smartphone photo today. But their impact was seismic. By introducing the concept of portable digital storage, floppies transformed computing from a stationary activity to a mobile one. The iconic 3.5-inch disk, protected by its rigid case and metal shutter, became the universal symbol of saving data. Though limited by today's standards, their 1.44 MB capacity taught us vital lessons about file compression and efficient coding. While the last major manufacturer ended production in 2011, the floppy disk's legacy lives on in our digital DNA, and as the eternal save